It'll be fine. Don't be such babies about it.
I'm just saying, I don't think this is such a good idea.
It'll be fine. It's not even real.
If it's not real, why are we doing it?
Because it's fun.
Alright, you ready?
Oh, please, are the candles really necessary?
And why are we doing this in the basement?
It's to set the mood. Plus, the attic is closed. It's been closed since like forever.
Okay, can we start now?
Yeah,
okay, sure.
Fine.
Spirits in this room, spirits in this home. Present yourselves. We are alone.
Spirits in this room, spirits in this home, present yourselves, we are alone. Lost souls in this realm, wanderers of the night, join this conversation, it is you that we invite.
Okay, I'm done with this. You're right, it's not real. Let's go upstairs.
Come on, it never works on the first try.
I don't care. Let's go.
I'm with you.
Well, I'm not going. Go if you want, but we're trying again.
Fine.
Haha, very funny, Alice. Turn on the lights.
What?
Please, we're not laughing.
That wasn't me. Nat, was it you?
No, I swear, it's gonna be the storm. I'll check the breakers. It's closed.
Stop it, Nat. It's not funny anymore.
Yeah, I know I suggested it, but it's enough.
I swear, it's not opening.
Was that part?
That wasn't me. What was that?
Isn't your brother home? Maybe he dropped something.
No, he's out of town. I'll go check.
I'm alone, you're not.
There's no one in the bedrooms. It's coming from the attic.
I thought you said it was closed.
It is.
Maybe the storm opened the window.
You still think it's the storm?
See? The window's open. I'll just close it. There. Happy?
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Open it!
I'm trying.
Nat! She's not here.
What do you mean she's not there?
She's not here. She's gone. There's no one here.
She was right there. This can't be happening. How could you let this happen?
Do you honestly think I knew all of this would happen?
We told you it was a bad idea, but you insisted.
It wasn't like I forced you. This isn't all of me, you know? You chanted as well.
I didn't want to be a part of this. We didn't want to be a part of this, right, Kitty? Kitty? Kitty?
Katie? Maybe she's in the bathroom. She must have gone somewhere. They have to be somewhere. Let's calm down. Look for them. They have to be here. Jane, please. Come on, let's go.
I'm not going. I'm not. I can't do this. I'm leaving.
Leaving? What? You can't leave me alone. Jane? Jane?
It'll be fun.